Hello. So today now I am in a fish market with my baby. Say hi. Hi. So we have come to take fish as he loves fish. So I'll make you see there's so many fishes over here. See. But since he loves fish and which I need with less thrones and all, so I'll go for katla. So this is my fish, katla, which I have taken as my baby loves fish. मामा टेंगरा है क्या? पर टेंगरा काटने में दिक्कत है ना।
वो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ता। अरे यार प्लीज काटना वो अरे पब्लिक वो काटा नहीं वो नहीं पड़ता काट देना यार।
मामा you love fish? You eat fish?
हां यार
काटला काटला fish market? You like? You want to go home now? Okay. Hello everyone. So you have seen that I went with my son to get the fish. So since Akshay left for office and now I'm alone with my baby. He's of 3 years old. So he loves eating fish. So for a 3 years old baby, we always prefer giving fish which has less thorn. So these are the piece which we generally give to a 3 years old baby. These are less thorns which you can easily select it out, and there are a lot of benefits of eating fish. So how we'll cook fish for the baby, I'll show you that also, so that he'll love eating it.
First we'll marinate the fish. I've taken both his and mine with salt and turmeric, and we'll fry in a oil both the fish, his and mine both one, in a mustard oil. Then we'll grate a carrots and onion. I'm making this for both of us because we will cook again and again. So then we have to just fry it in the oil and then add everything, the carrots, the fish, everything. First I'll cook his because he doesn't eat chilies. Then I'll add salt, turmeric. After his fish is ready, a little bit of black pepper I'll give so that he get a bit tasty. It's optional. Then I'll give the coriander leaves, dhania patta. It's very good aroma and it makes feel good. The fish smell goes away and keep it for boil. And then his fish is ready. So I'll take out his and I'll with the remaining gravy I'll put my fish. I'll just add the chilies. The fish was already fried, so I'll just add the chilies and then mine is also ready. I'll just put it to boil. Mine is ready.
Duke, what will you have in your lunch?
Fish lunch.
Fish lunch. You love fish? It's yummy. Which one you love more, fish or chicken?
Fish.
Fish. You'll have now fish rice? Huh? Okay, let's have fish rice. You'll eat yourself or I'll make you eat?
I eat by myself.
You can't eat by yourself. You're too small. And it's garam.
So this is his platter. If you like it, please subscribe and share. It's a very easy recipe for all working moms. Enjoy it.